Hello, good evening to all of you. Today I'm going to discuss about product decisions in international marketing. A product is a collection of physical, psychological, service and symbolic attributes that collectively yield satisfaction or benefits to a buyer or user. A number of frameworks for classifying products have been developed. Frequently used classification is based on users and distinguishes between consumer and industrial goods. Both type of goods in turn can be further classified on the basis of other criteria such as how they are purchased, convenience, preference, shopping or specialty goods, and their lifespan durable, non-durable, disposable. These are the other classification framework developed for domestic marketing are fully applicable to international marketing. Products can be classified as local, national, and international. Many companies find as a result of expanding existing businesses or acquiring a new businesses, they have products for sale in a single national market. For example, Kraft Foods at one found itself in the chewing gum business in France, the ice cream business in Brazil, pasta business in Italy. Although each of these unrelated businesses was in isolation quite profitable, the scale of each was too small to justify heavy expenditures on research and development, let alone marketing, production, financial management. From international beat quarters, an important question regarding any product, whether it has the potential for expansion into other markets. The answer will depend upon the company's goals and objectives and also on the perception of opportunity. Managers run the risk of committing two types of errors regarding product decisions in international marketing. One error is to fall victim to the not invented here syndrome, ignoring product decision made by subsidiary or affiliate managers. Managers who behave in this way are essentially abandoning any effort to leverage product decision policy on all affiliate companies on the assumption that what is right for customers in home market must also be right for the customers anywhere in the world. The four product categories in the local to international continuum. Local products is available in a portion of national market. In the United States, the term regional product is synonymous with local product. So these products may be new products that a company is introducing using a rollout strategy or a product that is distributed exclusively in that region. Originally, Cape Cod potato chips was a local product in the New England market. The company was later purchased by Frito-Lay and distribution was expanded to other regions of United States. National products. It is in the context of a particular company is offered in a single national market. Sometimes national products appear when an international company caters to the needs of and preferences of a particular country markets. For instance, Coca-Cola developed a no carbonated ginseng flavored beverage for sale only in Japan, and a yellow carbonated flavored drink called Posturing to compete with Peru's favorite soft drink, Inca Cola. After years of falling to dislodge Inca Cola, Coke was the old strategic maxim: if you can't beat them, buy them, and acquired Inca Cola. Similarly, Sony and other Japanese consumer electronics companies produce a variety of products that are not sold outside Japan. The reason is Japan consumers have a seemingly insatiable appetite for electronic gadgets. International products. They are offered in multinational and regional markets. The classic international product is the Euro product, offered throughout Europe but not in the rest of the world. Renault was for many years a Euro product. When Renault entered the Brazilian market, it became a multi-regional company. So most recently, Renault invested in Nissan and has taken control of the company. The combination of Renault in Europe and Latin America and Nissan in Asia, the America, Europe, the Middle East and Africa has catapulted Renault from a multi-regional to an international position. So Renault is an example of how a company can move overnight through investment or acquisition from an international to an international position. Now, international products and international brands. They are offered in international markets. A truly international product is offered in a triad in every world region and in countries at every stage of development. So such international products were designed to meet the needs of international markets, and others were designed to meet the needs of national market also, but to meet the needs of international market too. So note that the product is not a brand. Portable personal sound system or personal stereo or category of international product. Sony is an international brand. An international brand means like a national or international brand is a symbol about which customers have belief or perception. Many companies, including Sony, make personal stereos. So Sony created the category more than 10 years ago. Although it noted previously markets a number of local products, the company also has a stellar track record both as international brand and a manufacturer of international products. Thank you.